this in your next exam. Here is exactly how to name it. This clip, I will teach you how to name this compound. So the first thing to do is you need to have understanding of how to solve for the oxidation number. And here we'll solve for oxidation number, oxidation number of, we'll solve for the oxidation number of sulfur, and this. And how do we go about that? We'll pick a number of atom here and we'll say 2 in brackets. The valency of hydrogen is +1, so say 1 in the bracket, plus there's an invisible one here, so I'll put it here, open bracket. That of sulfur will be called, since we are asked to solve for the valency, the oxidation number of sulfur, we'll tag it here to be X, then plus 4 here, I'll put it here in bracket, and the valency of oxygen is actually -2, -2 equals 0. Next, I'll open my bracket. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 times x is x, plus 4 times -2 is actually -8 equals 0. Next, we'll isolate x, and in isolating x, you say x equals, this 8 will cross over to this side, becomes 0 plus 8, and our 2 also would cross over to this side, and if the 2 here is +2, if it crosses, it becomes -2. So we'll get x equals +8 minus 6 is +6. So the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is 6. How do you name the compound now? I'll rewrite the compound. So it's 6x equals 6 H2SO4. So you first start by writing the name of the first element, which is this. We'll start by writing this name of this, which is hydrogen. So I'm going to say hydrogen. Next, you'd go to the last element. What's the number of atom of the last element? Here you have 4, but you won't say 4 this time around. You say tetra. 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, and 4 is tetra. So we say hydrogen tetra, since it's 4. Tetra, the 4 belongs to oxygen. The 4 belongs to oxygen. So we say tetraoxo. You won't say oxygen again, you say oxo. Hydrogen tetraoxo. Then we'll come here now. Sulfur, but we'll change it to sulfate. We'll replace the O with ATE, which is sulfate. So hydrogen tetraoxo sulfate. And what's our oxidation number of sulfur? We got 6. This right here. So right here, but you won't write. You write it in Roman figures, which is actually VI. So the name of this compound is hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6. Would you like to solve similar questions? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.